Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you basically we are going to compare Sam's Club food versus Costco food club, right? So here I will going to explain each and everything and basically we are going to compare on every aspect, right? So let's get dive into this video. So here first of all we will just compare regarding this pricing that Costco and Sam Club offer, both of them offer affordable price. So whoever can just go and they have the food, right? They can enjoy it. On the same time, if I just give you an example, Costco hot dog and soda combo cost around 1.50 dollar cents, right? Here, but on the other side, on the Sam's Club, it costs 1.38. So there's a actually it's both are similar, but there's a very little bit of difference, right? As you can see here on the screen, that here I have listed some of the foods which you can compare, and basically these are the Costco price and this are the Sam's Club price, right? So here you can just compare and you can just get your affordability and you can find out which code you should visit. Now here regarding the taste, so tastes are subjective, everybody have their own opinions over the taste. So Costco tends to have better tasting food court items than Sam's Clubs, right? This is I'm just giving you because of the review that the people have give, right? Many people rave about the Costco pizza and its hot dog are also a fan favorite, right? The third one is ordering experience, right? This is very important because this plays a huge role into our food experience. Both stores have relatively seamless ordering experience. Customers can either order food from the code or from a self-service Costco, right? So however, at the particular Costco I have visited, there was no self-serving Costco. You have to wait in the line and the line was very long. So you can just, I hope you got your answer, right? Now the last thing we are going to talk, which is basically the cashback. Like many other big store chains, Sam's Club offers its own branded credit card, right? And let me show you what's a credit card. So these are the Costco credit card. You can just go through it and you can just know the first one is a Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Basically, you have to just go visit or you can just go to the website of the bank account you have and you can just ask whether they have the credit card of this particular code or not. Same way, Sam's Club also provide the credit card and also a membership card. Basically, you have to just pay the membership, right, for it. Sam's Club Plus members receive 3% Sam's cash on Sam's Club purchase. On the other side, you can also earn 5% Sam's cash on gas, right? So here, this is very important things to notice. I hope you would have got a conclusion that on which code you should visit and which is better for you. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.